Good evening, everybody. This side Khushi from Lexus and Company. Today we will discuss the FSSI registration. As you know that if you are having a business related to the food, then you must have this certificate or this registration. So what is FSSAI? We can say the what it stands for. Basically, it stands for the Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, which is an organization that monitors and govern the food business in India. Basically it is governed by the government. क्योंकि अगर गवर्नमेंट किसी आपके बिजनेस पे कंट्रोल नहीं करेगी देन द बिजनेस विल बी आर्बिट्रेड. यू कैन से दैट देयर विल बी नो अथॉरिटी एंड सो बेसिकली बिकॉज इट इज रिलेटेड टू द फूड एंड द सेफ्टी ऑफ द पब्लिक. Okay, so it is an autonomous body that established under the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. The FSSAI has been established under the Food Safety and Standard Act, which is 2006, and which is consolidating statute related to the food and safety regulation in India. So basically this was about the FSSAI registration, which is like what is the full form and what is this registration. So every food business operator involved in the manufacturing, processing, storage, distribution and sale of food product must compulsorily obtain this registration license or something else. Okay, so basically this is very important to have this registration, as we know that the Haldiram has its registration certificate of this. So we have a faith, or we can say that we have a belief that what kind of food we are having from there, that is totally good for our health, just because to this certificate or this mark. So that's why this is very important. What kind of FSSAI registration looks like? Basically it is a 14-digit registration or a license number that is printed on all of the food packages. The 14-digit registration number gives details about the assembling state, product, or the procedure, producer, everything which is this 14 digit जो आपका होता है वो हर तरह की चीज़ें इसमें डिफाइन कर देता है. Okay, so